welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're here in Malta and Paceville, and we're going to go for a few bars. So what we're going to do, we're going to head up Bar Street, up this road here, and we're going to go to maybe 3 or 4 different bars, and we're going to see what they all have to offer, how much the drinks are, and what the atmosphere is. Let's see Wagwan, you guys know the vibe. Alright guys, so the first bar we're going to go into the social fun bar. Yeah, I'm going to cover there. Thank you. Just have a little look around. We're going to do probably take 1 drink in each place, but you get 1 buy one get on free, so you're going to have a few. Couple. Let's see. Alright, so we went for vodka Red Bull and 2 Cubans. Yeah, so 2 Cubans. So just rum and coke. Yeah. Cheers guys. Cheers Sabrina. Let's see how many we get through, eh? Right guys, we've gone for the second drink. We're in the Nordic bar. And I've got 2 Long Islands. They gave me 2 Long Islands. And Sabrina got a free drink though. Girls have 1 free drink in it. So lovely. Sabrina there with a free drink. I got my 2 Long Island. And yeah, and this is the bar, the DJ up there. And then we'll have a there. There we go. But yeah, Nordic bar, beer number 3 I think, we got 4 too. Every place in bar we'll get 1 free, so we have it like 2 every time. Alright, so we're here. Oh yeah. We got in the native bar, and we got our first drink. Whiskey and Coke. And we're gonna have this. Cheers, Sabrina. Woo! Strong! Yeah. Strong, innit? Hey. So, essentially the DJ down there. Everything will go down there. So we just had quite a few beers at the moment. We're gonna go and find maybe one more, and then we're gonna head back to our hotel. So, do we go to the fun bar, or do we go to the Iris on the corner? I think it's fun bar. What do you think, fun bar? Fun bar for one? Yeah? Come on then. Thank you. So come on, we're gonna go to fun bar. And we're gonna have 1 drink.
After na voting and a form with a number for your people. Wada, of your be waking in a difficult paya disipik what they think we say. Wada, Juju Galamba Tila, Pampa to Pampa de Pampamina, a pepona la Pamina, so metina we go de Pamona. Check Juju Galamba Tila, Pampa to Pampa de Pampamina, a pepona la Pamina, so metina we go de Pamona.
She got me spinning. But you got jump up and down. What you gonna do with me? I'ma make you scream, make you scream, make you scream. Got all bodies if I me out. Control.
Esto se jodió, la vecina no sé qué bebió, el vecino no sé qué vendió, a la gente no sé qué le dio, pero yo solo sé que untaron.
Guys, so we just had quite a few drinks down the bar street and we're quite drunk and it's quite late now, so we're heading home. Thanks for watching and this is Wagwan Tours, Kirk and Sabrina, and we'll see you
Subscribe and
tomorrow.
like.
We'll see you tomorrow on the next vlog. See ya.
Take time when I'm in, it's